What up, everybody? Took a few trades today. Disappointed again that I took a loss right away in the morning in one of my accounts, but was able to scrape it all back, which was fine. Well, most of it back, like down $60, but overall, really good trading day. We'll walk through the trade that I took in the morning, which was against my rules. I was right around here. Again, had a fair value gap there, but when we go back to the 8:30 time. Where's this trade? Yeah, right around here. Yeah, it was like right around here. I mean, it did end up hitting my target, but we just got in like way too early. Like, didn't even touch my zone there. I was actually right here. Got in way too early there. We gotta wait for it to touch my zone, and we didn't even get a solid break above, so bad. Bad trade. But where we did have success today is a little bit later on. So I ended up creating these gaps here, and I ended up getting short upon price moving up back here. And then we had some sort of an event. Don't know what it was. I think it was just like, yeah, right here. I ended up getting short right up there. I think it was because of some maybe trade talk or whatever like that. So we scroll over here, we kind of saw structure get made here, right around here, ended up getting short here, and then we ended up just like going down super quickly. So I have some take profit trader evals here at the bottom, my funded futures here, my funded futures, and then Apex. So, and I also have a couple Tradeify too. So all those other ones besides the take profit are funded. So, but it was a pretty relatively good day, just a lot of movement across the market. So some earnings, Amazon earnings after hours, so you can see the big sweep here. But overall, great week, great day. I'm just going to continue to keep grinding and get better. So peace. And also I took the $25,000 evals because it's 1,500 take profit, 1,500 profit target, 1,500 stop loss. And the 50K is 3,000 profit target and 2,000 stop loss. So I'm rather going for the 1-for-1, and I'm only risking like 200 to 250 a trade anyways. So I got a decent amount of wiggle room. I mean, I have to blow up like 5-6 times in a row to blow those accounts. So don't plan on doing that at all. But yeah, I think the 25K might be pretty suitable for me to get to profit. Plan on getting those funded, and then yeah. Trade those, and then as I get some payouts, then try to get 2 more. But tomorrow I'll be yodeling some non-farm payroll. I think I'm going to do some Tradeify accounts. So I have one here that's an eval at 50K that I think I'll buy 2 or 3 more and just go opposite direction on both and hopefully get a quick fill on those. So, but yeah. All right. Peace, guys.